Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer HubSpot SEO schema and custom code detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer SEO schema and custom code in HubSpot, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing section in the main dashboard. Select website from the drop-down menu. Click on pages to see a list of your website pages. Identify the specific page you want to transfer the SEO schema from. Click on the page title to open the page editor. Scroll down to the page settings section. Locate the SEO section where your schema code is currently displayed. Copy the existing schema code to your clipboard. Next, navigate to the target page where you want to transfer the code. Open the target page editor by clicking on its title. Scroll down to the SEO section in the target page settings. Paste the copied schema code into the appropriate field. Ensure that the formatting of the code is preserved during the transfer. Now, let's move on to the custom code. Access the Design Manager by selecting Marketing, then Files and Templates. Click on Design Tools. In the Design Manager, find the file containing your custom code. Open this file to view the code you want to transfer. Select the entire custom code or specific sections needed. Copy the selected code to your clipboard. Return to the Design Manager and locate the target file where you want to transfer the custom code. Open the target file for editing. Paste the copied custom code into the appropriate section of the target file. Review the pasted code to ensure no syntax errors are introduced. After transferring both the SEO schema and custom code, save your changes. Preview the target page to confirm that everything appears as expected. Finally, publish the target page to make the changes live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.